Hi guys, today we can learn I don't know in between meaning in that sentences. So how many ways to say I don't know beats me? Hmm. I'm not the best person to answer that. These type of way we can say I don't know. I can find out for you. I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll get back to you on that. And I don't know means there is another way. I don't have that information here right now. Next one, I don't know anything about. I have no clue and idea. Next, I haven't got a clue. These way we can say another person do not feel hard way. So thank you so much for watching that.